This is why you need to know about dragonflies. They are nature's precision hunters. Dragonflies are not just pretty insects. These guys are hunting machines. With a 95% success rate, they catch more prey than lions and sharks. Their secret? Incredible speed and agility. Dragonflies can fly in all directions, up, down, and even backwards. They spot their prey with those huge compound eyes that see in all directions. Then they swoop in with lightning speed, snatching their meal mid-air. Each wing moves independently, giving them perfect control. Next time you see a dragonfly, remember, you're looking at nature's most effective hunter. Fascinating, right? Hit that like button if you want more amazing nature facts.